What's up, YouTube world? It's your boy B-Clarity7 checking in, and I'm back to let you into my Robinhood stock market investment account. Now, I want to say thanks for checking out this video. Thanks for dropping by the channel. If you're not already subscribed to the B-Clarity7 channel, please subscribe to the channel because I'll drop videos very regularly where I take you under the hood into my stock market investment accounts. Also talk about financial literacy. I like to consider myself to be a financial literacy enthusiast. So I definitely want to, impact you guys and just share some of the knowledge that I've acquired. And I'm hoping that we can all reach financial freedom together. But with all that said, let's just go ahead and we're going to jump into the portfolio. Like I said, it is the last day of February 2022. So I just want to, again, take you guys under the hood, show you what I'm holding in my account, show you how many shares of the companies that I have, as well as what my total return is. And then by the end of the video, I will be showing you my dividends too, just to show you all what I have pending and what I've received the last 30 days. Now, we definitely have to start off with the current value. As you can see, I'm at $26,000. For today, I am up $455. For the past week, I am up $342. For the past month, I am down $1,100. For the past 3 months, I'm down $2,200. But for the past year, my portfolio is up $3,800. Now, as we all know, the reason for the volatility as far as the portfolio being red, we're dealing with a lot of things. We definitely have the Russia and the Ukraine war going off. That's really, really bad. It's really terrible, but I'm really hoping that we can come to some type of resolution as soon as possible. War is never the answer. At least, that's what I believe. But in addition to the, Ukraine and the Russian war, we're still dealing with inflation. The inflation is still killing the value of the dollar. People are definitely looking to alternative assets where they can put their money at. So there are many people who are pulling their money out of the stock market and they're putting it again into more stable assets, or just, assets that they feel will yield them better returns. So, we have, just a lot of people pulling out the market. Again, inflation, the value of the dollar, it just continues to dip. We do still have, as far as restrictions from the pandemic still lingering. I live in Los Angeles, California. We definitely are still dealing with mask mandates, still dealing with many restrictions. Unemployment is still up everywhere I go. I feel like I'm seeing now hiring and, we need worker signs up. So we are definitely dealing with the war. We're still dealing with inflation. We're still dealing with the residual effects of the pandemic. And just again, right now, people are looking into all types of alternative assets to park their money in order to ultimately make their dollars work for them. But as you can see, I have continued to be steadfast and invest in the stock market. I have not sold any of the items that I hold in my portfolio. In fact, I have just been dollar cost averaging. But enough all of that. Let's just go ahead and jump into the stocks that I have. First and foremost, we have Tesla. As you can see, I have 8 shares of Tesla. My total return, I am up $2,822. Then we have Apple. I have 20 shares. Total return, I am up $931. Then we have Microsoft, 10 shares, and total return, I am up $687. After that, we have Bank of America, 25 shares, and I'm up $444. Then we have Hercules Capital. I have 106 shares, and I'm up $551 in Hercules Capital. HP, I have 20 shares, and I am up $290 in HP. Pfizer, ticker symbol PFE, 15 shares, and I am up $97. The S&P 500 Vanguard ETF VOO, I have a little over 1 share, and I'm up $111. UGI Corp, I have 20 shares, and I am up $12. Realty Income, I have 11 shares of Realty Income, and I'm up $89. MSC Industrial Direct, I have 7 shares and I am up $66. Nucor, I have 2 shares of Nucor and I'm up $162. Rexford Industrial Realty, I have 5 shares and I'm up $108. Enterprise Products, I have 20 shares and I'm up $101. Nike, I have 1 share and I'm up $59. Nike. Starbucks, I have 2 shares and I'm up $40. Eli Lilly, I have 1 share and I am up $85. Comcast, I have 5 shares and I am up $58. A.O. Smith, I have 3 shares and I am up $57. Camden Property Trust, I have 1 share and I am up $77. Coca-Cola, I have 10 shares and I am up $110. Coca-Cola. Cisco Systems, I have 4 shares and I'm up $55. JP Morgan Chase, I have 1 share and I'm up $41. California Water, I have 6 shares and I'm up $20. Caterpillar, I have 1 share and I'm up $20. Johnson & Johnson, I have 2 shares and I'm up $57. Walmart, I have 1 share and I'm up $22. Procter & Gamble, I have 2 shares and I'm up $70. Flowers Foods, I have 10 shares and I'm up $40. TC Energy, I have 3 shares and I'm up $29. And that concludes the companies that I hold. As you can see, I do have a number of companies. And the reason why is because I do believe in being diverse in the market. Again, we have been going through this crash. And when the market is acting like this, when there's lots of red, if you are widely exposed to multiple sectors, believe me, it's very rare that everything will be down. So as you can see, where we do have a lot of red, there are still some things that are in the green. For example, EPD, which is a oil, gas, energy company. So they have been, doing well despite, as far as what's going on. Mostly, the Russia and Ukraine war. So oil stocks, gas stocks, prices, those are up. So my EPD is doing well. My California Water, Caterpillar, these are more like industrial / like manufacturing things. So those companies are going to be doing well. TRP, again, that's an energy company. So those things will be doing well. So I say all of that to say you do definitely want to be diverse. I am spread throughout the market in multiple sectors. So I kind of do that to hedge my bets, as I always say. You don't want to necessarily be overexposed to just one sole sector, because that's how you can definitely find yourself in a lot of red. So you do want to be very diverse. In addition to the capital gains that I've received from my stocks, basically that's the total return. Let's also go to my dividends, because as you know, I do enjoy receiving dividends. So these are the dividends that I have pending at the moment. From Microsoft, we got $6. Eli Lilly, we have $1. Johnson & Johnson, $2. Pfizer, they're going to be paying me $6. Essential Utilities is going to be paying me 55 cents. And then from the past 30 days, Starbucks paid me $1. California Water paid me $1. Caterpillar, $1. Realty Income, $2. AOS, 91 cents. Procter & Gamble, $1. EPD, the energy company that I mentioned earlier, I received $9 from them. Nucor, I received $1. Apple paid me $4. TRP paid me $1, and JP Morgan Chase paid me $1, and just kind of so on and so on. As you can see, these are dividends that I've received from the companies that I hold, and these dividends are the easiest form of passive income. Basically, it's just kind of a reward from the company. Quarterly, they pay you dividends, so that's a percentage of their profits, and you can receive that. And what I do is I have my dividend reinvestment plan on. So as they pay me the dividend, I just have it reinvested into the company so I can have just a little bit more position. But yeah, that's just, what I've been doing throughout this crash. I know 2022 has definitely been very tough on all you investors, but I just want to let you guys see that I'm still in it. I'm not going anywhere. I'm going to continue to keep investing in the stock market, still holding on to all my shares. Most important thing is that you invest in companies that you do know and love, big companies. It's okay to, take some chances, take some gambles on, some of the minor, smaller companies, or even, some companies where you're definitely going to want to get big rewards from. But just as long as you do maintain some pillars, some real big dog companies, you can never go wrong. I mean, that's the Teslas, that's the Apples, that's the Microsofts, that's the Johnson and Johnsons, that's, the VOOs, the Bank of America. You definitely want to hold some big dog companies in your portfolio, because that will definitely offset you when it comes to the volatility, all the losses. So that's definitely what I want to do. But yep, just want to jump on, show you guys my portfolio. I'm a big proponent in making your money work for you. So don't just let your money sit in the bank. As I have mentioned, inflation is killing your dollar. Throw your money in some assets. Stock market is great assets. Real estate, another great asset. Even some crypto. I know crypto right now is taking a heck of a beating, but as long as if you're committed to being a long-term investor, all of this will pass. Again, jump into the stock market, jump into some crypto, jump into real estate. Even if things are bad right now, history has shown it will go up. So you just have to have faith and just be smart when it comes to your money and your income that you receive. Again, you can invest in the stock market because that's what I'm doing. That's the best way to make your money work for you. If you like this video, again, hit that like button. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. I will have links in the description box to download Robinhood app. You can start investing on your own. I have a Webull link there as well. Hit that Webull link. You can download Webull, start investing as well. And I'll also have Coinbase link. Click that Coinbase, start investing in some cryptocurrency. Again, you want to make your money work for you, you invest in the stock market. Other than that, I hope everyone is blessed and peace.